little bit of black here. I don't think I'm gonna have a lot here. That's okay. I don't mind. I can kind of spread these out a little bit. Where I have little, I can just put them in the center later. You know, just play around with it. So that way I can mix them up a little bit. You just roll with it. Yeah, so I probably, okay, let's see. Okay, let's see here. Put this back over here, out of the way. Next one would be, wipe my hands out. Yep, my old scrubs. They work perfectly. Got the lighter green, just a little sprinkle on this. These cups are going to be pretty full. I gotta get some bigger cups. So I hope once this is done, it's gonna go all a little faster. So, you know, it's like I'm not really good with telling anyone about textures and thickness because everybody has different ideas. So I figured I'll just figure out my own thing as I do this and then, you know, go from there. The same with mixing colors. I mean, I write it down, so that's more for mixing purposely, having the ratio for making sure I have the right ratio on this is a little bit thicker on the bottom. Pouring medium to color, but how about we do this? We'll go backwards this way. Did I not do white? No, I did. No, white goes after this. Shh. Oh, goodness. I always feel like I'm forgetting something. So I have no idea. We just have to wait and see. This is always the most boring part, so feel free to fast forward because I'm not really saying much of anything, probably most likely not, that is of very much importance, you know, so, I mean, especially when you're gonna miss kind of a little bit some of my boo-boos here that I'm making. I don't want to have too many spills in here though. Yeah, that's okay. I guess in the end it doesn't really matter. Whoop, there's the doggy. I guess she came in. With the green, then we're going to do some white, and we do this white because we separate the colors. These cups are getting full. Oh my God, I'm kind of excited. I've been wanting to do this color illumination for a long time. It reminds me somewhere you're like in the under the sea in the ocean. When we were teenagers, I remember my parents took us, all 6 of us, we were 6 kids, I mean we still are, went to Bulgaria, to the Black Sea, and when you went snorkeling, it was the most incredible scenery of color under the water. You know, when you looked on top of the water, when you just were at the beach, it looked pitch black. And then when you did snorkeling, it was bright and sunny and the most gorgeous colors. I mean, I was like, whoa. I was so mesmerized by that. And I'm not the kind of person who really sticks the head under the water because I'm kind of get a little claustrophobic. But anyway, so oops, red. We got a little red left. A little trickle of red. This is kind of working on my arm. It's like a workout. There we go. And I'm not going to stir this because I'm going to do a flip and pour. That's what you call it. So it's not a stir thingy. I love this red. I hope this is going to turn out okay. Well, we just have to wait and see, right? A little red left here. Just want a little layer on it, just a little bit, so I have it all. Squeeze it out. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Sorry, I think it's kind of far away and you don't get to see much, but with this big of a canvas, I wouldn't even know. Usually I have it sitting above when I'm working on this table. I have a little table sitting on this table here, and then the camera facing down, but with the big canvas, it took up all the space. Oh, yeah, we could squeeze some more out of here. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So, maybe, I think I'm going to do the end boxes in the middle, so I can assure that I have a little bit more of the colors in the, yeah, there's not a lot of orange here either. Ooh, this is hard on the back. Shush. I keep forgetting I'm not a spring chicken anymore. Yeah. All good though. Yeah, this can be physically pretty straining. I have a mat underneath here, but like it's just holding your body in a certain position. You know, like when you get to my age, you feel these aches and pains a little bit more. Just another reason to take better care of yourself, isn't it? Oops, who wants to hear that while they're watching a paint video? Oh well, you know, I'm just mumbling around because this is like so exciting. So this was the last 10 minutes of your life you could have saved yourself if you were forward of it. But hey, you know, sometimes I feel like I don't want to miss out on anything. Yeah, I'm just gonna bleep all the sounds out and then just put some writing over the video. But that would require me to figure out how this actually works. So I think I'm good here. It's done. Whew. Okay. I'll do this. Throw this in my trash. So I was planning on pouring out, pour and pull that way, pour and pull that way. So you had the big one. Or should I do pour, big flow, and pour? No, I need to, let's just do what I originally thought. And then we'll just go with it. Okay, so this would be, here we go. Hello. Let's let it sit here for a little while because we want these colors. Ooh, that looks pretty over there. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Ooh, that is lovely. I'll do that. I want to mix that more in the middle here. Ooh. Now I do, that is gorgeous. This is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's do one over here. One over here. I'm going to cut it out this over. Okay, so, and then the next thing we do, we let it sit for a little bit. Now that I don't have clear cups, I can't really see But boy, let me see, let me wipe off my hands a little bit more and see if I can take you guys in just to kind of see what these colors look. I'm already at 25 minutes. Woo! Okay, let's see if I can do this. Here we go. Get my dirty hands. Okay, here we go. So, can you guys see these? There you go. Got some of these. How about I do it this way? Look at all these beautiful rainbow of colors. Gorgeous. Okay, and then something here. So, I mean, it's a good start. It's a little bit more pinky. Ooh, I like this one. Okay. Put you guys back. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is going to turn into. Woo, this is exciting. Okay, let me just move a few things out of the way. Have a little drink. I get dehydrated fast. I want to do one this size with this method also in those Mardi Gras colors over there. I have another Mardi Gras one, which Mobile's Mardi Gras colors is purple and gold, while New Orleans is purple, gold, and green, which are all gorgeous. So, but I want to use these color scheme also and do that technique on there too sometime. But, you know, that's for another time. Just filling in time right now. Okay, just gonna move some of these cups, get them out of the way. Okay, okay, I don't know what this, just clean up a little bit while this is sitting there, just making sure it's good release so we don't have to scrape paint out and it doesn't get muddy. Here we go, because these are not so good. After you mix them, you don't really want to scrape them out with a spoon because then you're going to muddy up the colors. So, let me see here. This makes it easier to stack them up and put them away. There we go. Yeah, you say easy and then boom, something doesn't work out. Don't you love that? Oh, thank goodness I covered it.